Here I have Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button battery saver. You can switch power saving mode here. You can also access some of its settings by going to the settings, then to the battery section, tap here, go to the battery saver, and you can also switch this mode here, and you can set it to turn on automatically at 5% battery or at 15% battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.